$2,700, but we were starting with only $1 and it's the greatest result. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And I got a lot of messages, a lot of comments from you that you would like to try one more trading platform. And I prepared one surprise for you today because we usually trade on Quarters platform, and today I prepared for you the pocket option platform as you asked me, actually. And don't forget that if you are interested in trading signals, in some trading techniques and secrets that I sometimes can keep from you, yes, you can come to my Telegram, write me the code word private, and I will add you to the special private chat where you will find a lot of interesting things that you would never find here, for example, on YouTube channel or somewhere on internet. So come fast, do not hesitate, subscribe to the channel, put your like, and we are starting. So guys, today we are trading on the pocket option platform. Our deposit today is $1 and we will try to do our best and overclock it well. So the first situation where I'm gonna enter my trade is the resistance level. Now I want to wait until the price approaches the level and then enter the trade with down. I think 1 minute here is quite enough, so let's start. So guys, there are literally a few seconds left and our trade is turning into the profit. The level has worked out perfectly well, so we can move on to the next situation. So here you can see the support level, and also there is a downward movement. It is a downtrend. That's why I reckon to enter the new trade here for an increase from the support level. And I think 2 minutes will be enough here, so let's wait until the price touches the level and open the trade with up. So guys, now there is very little time left, and here again, our trade is turning into the profit. The support zone has worked perfectly. The situation has been a little dangerous, but in fact, we can say great pullback that gave us enough time to get the profitable trade. So let's move to the next situation. So guys, now we will try to enter another trade here. We'll do it from our trend line with a down trade because I think there will be a fairly good pullback down here. So let's watch it. Well guys, our support line makes a great reaction. The price is confidently going down and breaks through this level. And we're getting a fabulous profit here, so let's move to the next situation. So guys, here you can see the support level here, the resistance level. The price is moving in the corridor, so let's enter the trade with up for $4 here, and I think it will be quite enough. So well guys, our trade is closing in the perfect profit. Let's move on to the next situation. So here you can see a brilliant resistance level. The price has approached this level. I really want to open this trade with down, and I think a 3-minute time will be enough. Well, let's see what we can get this time. So guys, there are a few seconds left, and as you can see, the resistance level has worked out perfectly, and here we're getting again the fabulous profit. So let's move on to the following situation. Well, here there's the price corridor. You can notice the support level, the resistance level. The price is currently at our resistance level, and I suggest opening the trade for literally 1 minute. It will be quite enough, I'm sure. I'm entering the trade with down. Let's see what happens. So guys, we've got a pullback from our resistance level and also got our profit. And here we can see a mirror level. This level was first a resistance level, now it is a support one. I want to enter this trade for literally 3 minutes with up. Since there has been an uptrend here before, a good upward movement, and I think there will be a pullback up from this level, so let's check it. So guys, we done it right, put in the trade time with a reserve for 3 minutes because there has been a small breakout of the level, but after that the price strongly gone up and here we again got the profit. And so let's come to the next situation. So guys, here we can see a strong and good resistance level. The price has already approached it. There was a small pullback, and I think in the future there will be a touching and the breakout of this level. So I'm going to enter this trade for 5 minutes with the reserve width up. So let's see what we can get this time. Well guys, here the 5 minutes were quite enough for me, and the price has approached this level and our trade closes in the profit. Well, let's move on to the next situation. So guys, here we can see a mirror level. The price now is touching the level from the bottom up. So here I'm going to enter the trade with up. I think that here 3 minutes will be quite enough, so let's open it for an increase. I reckon that the price will continue to break this level since here there is a small touching, and so guys, let's see what we can get this time. So well guys, our price has strongly gone up and broke through this level, then fixed about it, and the trade is again bringing the profit. Let's come to the next situation. So guys, here you can see an ascending triangle. Also there is the resistance level at the top. Also you can see the trend line, that is, there is an uptrend, and in the future I think there will be the attention to this level and as effect the breaking through. And I suppose entering here with up, also with a time reserve of 5 minutes. So let's see what we can get this time. So well guys, 5 minutes were quite enough. The price is moving quite impulsively. As we can see, there has been a breakdown of this level and the trade is net positive again. Let's keep on out trading. So guys, here you can see a strong resistance level. Before that has been an uptrend here, now we see that there is a reaction and there may be a downtrend. So here is supposed to enter for 3 minutes with down. So I think this time will be enough for us. So I'm entering the trade and I really wonder how it closes this time. Well guys, 3 minutes was enough here. The trade again goes in the profit, and the good profit. Let's go on to another situation. So guys, here there is the support level, the resistance level, and I want to enter here with down for 1 minute. I think that there will be a lower attack, and as a fact it's possible that the level will be broken through. So let's see what we can get this time. Yeah, the trade is again net positive and there are few seconds left. The price has strongly fallen down to the lowest level and as a result it's broken it through. So let's move on to the next situation. So guys, here you can see the support level. The price is moving quite impulsively. It makes the high volatility and I seem to enter here for 1 minute only. We'll try now to enter the trade at the very level. So guys, here there's an impulse and I'm entering my trade with up at the lowest point of our support zone. So let's now see what results it can get. Well guys, we have entered the trade quite successfully at the lowest point of our support zone. Exactly from this point the price has strongly grown up and we're getting the fabulous profit. Let's move on to the next situation, let's get it. So guys, here we have a very strong level of support. The price is approaching this level and I'm going to enter the trade with up for literally 2 minutes. We're entering the trade for $700 in double face value. The total sum is $1,400. Let's see what we can get this time. Well guys, this level has worked out perfectly. The price has pulled back up and we're getting a profit again here. So I can say that we can finish here because now our deposit is $2,700, but we were starting with only $1 and it's the greatest result. Actually, yes, I really love this result and I hope you love it too, because you know, you get only $1 and now we got $2,700. So if you want to know more more about these things, just go to my Telegram, write me this code word private, and I will tell you a lot of interesting things in our private chat, of course. So do not hesitate, come right now. I really wait for you only now and only here. Just do not wait for me. Come and do your best.